In this video, you will learn how to fix Cash App won't let me add paper money. If Cash App won't let you add paper money, follow these simple troubleshooting steps to fix it. First, check your location. Make sure at your location where Cash App allows you to add funds, paper money can only be accepted at deposits at specific retail locations that are partnered with Cash App, such as Walgreens, CVS, and more. Use the Add Cash option in the app to find nearby locations. Ensure that you have a verified account. Your Cash App account may need to be verified to add paper money. If you haven't already, verify your identity by providing your personal details such as your name, date of birth and last 4 digits of your social security number. Then, use the correct process. To add paper money, open the Cash App tab on the Banking or Balance tab. Then, Add tab. You will see an option to add cash at participating retail locations. You will receive a barcode that can be scanned when you pay with cash at the store. Then, check for app updates. Make sure you're using the latest version of Cash App. If you're not, go to your phone's app store and update it to the most recent version. Then, ensure Cash App amount is correct. Some locations may have limits on how much paper money you can be added all at one time. If the amount is too large, try adding a small amount and repeat the process. If you're still unable to add paper money, contact Cash App support. You can reach them through the app by going to your profile, clicking on support, then clicking something else, and then add cash issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.